Hello and welcome to Lydia Isaac Healthy Lifestyle. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to make a natural laxative. Okay, so if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the red button there that says subscribe and subscribe to my channel. And if you've already done that, thank you very much and God bless you. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to make prawn juice to help you to lose too if you're constipated. So just sit back and relax and watch this video. Thank you very much. Okay guys, as you can see over there is my prawn juice and some honey. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to pour my prawns that I soaked in hot water for about 10 hours into my blender and blend till it's smooth. Okay, right now I'm just pouring my prawn inside my blender. I soaked it so it will be perfectly soft and easy for me to blend. So all you will do is get yourself some prawns, soak them in hot water depending on how long you want, and blend it till it's smooth. As you can see, my prawns is blending right now. So guys, let me give you some of the benefits of prawn juice while I go on blending my prawns. Okay, prawn juice is one of the best and natural laxative to help you to lose too if you're constipated. The reason why is one of the best is prawn contains a lot of fiber and they are very healthy, and they also help with our digestive system. So guys, if you know you're constipated and it's very difficult for you to lose too, just try this prawn juice and see how it will open your bowels in less than 10 to 5 hours. You will see how it will work perfectly for you. As you can see right in the video, I added a teaspoon of honey to add taste, and also honey is very good for our digestive system as well. So guys, that is my prawn juice, and please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, thank you very much guys. Till I see you on my next video. Bye.